Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're posing the question, do Thai immigration procedures at borders, so-called border runs, and I want to be clear, I differentiate border running from visa running. Visa running, in my mind, is you leave the country, you go to an embassy, you get a new visa, you come back in. Border running is literally just running to a border, a physical boundary of the sovereign territory of a given nation, crossing over that border and then crossing back in and using that to gain new status. It is possible to do that in Thailand. We've discussed that in many other videos. But the question posed by this video is, does nationality dictate different protocols associated with border running here in Thailand? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Government Denies Dangers from Visa-Free Policy. Quoting directly, but there are other inconsistencies between visa-free nationalities, whereas British or European holidaymakers can extend a 30-day stamp for a further month at local immigration, followed by a day trip to the Cambodian border to repeat the procedure. Chinese and Indian visitors are not able to leave and then return by a land border post. So the thing to point out, as noted right there, and I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail, but yeah, border runs are not going to be an option for those with a Chinese or an Indian passport. So again, nationality, one's nationality does make a difference when it comes to the issue of border running here in Thailand. So something to bear in mind. Also noteworthy, as we've noted in other videos, there was a decree on this some years back wherein it was dictated that foreign nationals of any stripe, to the best of my knowledge, who wish to utilize so-called border run facilities are only allowed to avail themselves of 2 in a given year. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy and consternation sometimes and misunderstanding, and I get that it's vague regarding what constitutes a border run. Is an airport border run the same thing as a land border run? Well, for purposes of this video, we're talking specifically about land border runs. I may do another video in the future where I get into the high weeds on air borders, sea borders, land border runs, and the differences associated therewith. Quite honestly, I've discussed that quite a bit in the past, but I think that there may be some folks out there that would like some further clarification on that, so stay tuned. But for now, the thing to understand is, yeah, when it comes to land borders, nationality does have an impact on whether or not one is going to be able to utilize a land border to do a border run here in the Kingdom of Thailand.